Hi, I'm David Leite, and as you can see, we are in our New York kitchen, our very cramped New York kitchen. As a matter of fact, my special guest here, Jeremiah Duarte Bills, and I are crouched down trying to get into the camera. Now, most of you know Jeremiah. He is from Jeremiah Bakes, the website, and also this incredible Instagram feed, so you must visit that. And his specialty is Portuguese desserts.
Yes.
And he's actually coming out with a cookbook of Portuguese desserts. So today we're going to be making
Serradura,
which is
sawdust pudding.
That does it.
Delicious, right?
sounds disgusting, but it's actually very good. Explain what sawdust pudding is.
So it's crushed cookies, which end up looking like sawdust, and then layers of whipped cream and condensed milk. You can't go wrong.
What's so bad about that? So we're going to show you how to make that, and the thing about it is it's very, very fast. So stay tuned.
Whip it good.
So here we are, and Jeremiah, well, actually, I want you to see. Can you see that beautiful swirl?
Oh my God.
Is that not beautiful? He did such a great job.
So gorgeous.
And it's been in the refrigerator for
4 hours.
4 hours. And we're going to taste it now. After you, sir.
Oh, you're too kind. Look at those layers.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's
This
so good.
is so delicious. I'm breaking my keto diet again. One more spoon.
Good.
What's nice about it is the cream softens the cookie crumbs. It's delicious. So enjoy. How do we say? What do we say in Portuguese when we're like going to eat? Bom proveito.
Exactly.
Bom proveito.
Exatamente.
And enjoy your Portuguese dessert, your serradura, your sawdust cake, some sawdust pudding. The first one is,
Serradura.
which is called sawdust. This is Jeremiah Duarte Bills. I'm saying it wrong.
You're saying it perfect.
No, it's not Duarte. It's
Duarte.
Duarte. We're gonna
It's
try
the
this
American
again.
version.
The American version.